Okay, so super fast video real quick in regards to hardwiring. Particularly in this case, I have the Uniden Extreme Long Range Radar Detector, but to do a hardwire kit on a 2017 to 2021 Honda Civic Type R. So, pretty much you're going to get a kit that comes with your typical like Ethernet style connector. You're going to connect it through here, make sure that you have enough extra here, because what you're going to do is we're going to go right here and zip tie it to this, and then if you want to, you can use tape or whatever to run it up your windshield, and we're going to tuck it back behind the headliner all the way down to here. So make sure it's back there pretty good. You get to this point right here and you can tuck it underneath that plastic, and whenever you buy the hardwire kit, it'll come with one of these tools. If you've ever ordered anything from Acuity Instruments, this is going to be included. This I actually got with this kit. It came with it. This particular kit is made by that company right there, Plazo, I believe. This is the exact kit that if you've seen Torque Toolbox's video, this is the link that was in his description. He has made a video on this, but I figured I would make one because I don't make enough videos. So yeah, so you can use that tool to pull back on this slightly and tuck the wire up underneath. The weather stripping, same thing. The wire is tucked back behind there. You get it back far enough, it levels out completely to where it doesn't pop out at all whatsoever. You are going to get down to this point here, and you're going to do the same thing. Tuck it back underneath there. It's going to go down here, and you're going to run it all the way down to the bottom, which is where it is now, up underneath here. I'm not sure how well you can see that, but it's right there. So the next thing you're going to do is, let me pause this real quick. Okay, so up underneath here, you are going to have your fuses. Sorry, I'm using a cell phone to do this, so the angle is not the best. But, let me get the angle right here. So, see, try to get that. Come on now. It's not working. Okay, if you can see the very last 5 right there, so it goes 5, 10, 5. To the right of where that 5 will be, there will be a number 10. You can use your fuse puller from underneath your hood. Underneath your fuse box on the lid, there's a fuse puller, or the kit usually will come with one. You are going to pull that 10. That would be to the right of where that 5 is. So you see 5, 10, 5. To the right of that 5 will be a 10. You're going to pull that out with your fuse puller. All right. Then with the kit, you're going to see a bunch of these connector things right here. These. So the one you want for a Type R, if I can get the focus right, because I definitely need to upgrade my phone. See this one right here has the plastic bit that's like, it's like a square piece that's in between the two connectors. That's the one that you're going to want. And if you're holding it like this, you're going to take your factory 10 and you're going to stick it through like that. Underneath the hood, there is another 10 on the fuse box lid. You can use that 10 for added security, as he mentioned in his video. The kit does come with these. There's 5s in there. I took his advice and went with the 10, so you put 2 10s in there. Your connector piece right here, so this piece right here will connect to here. And then all this red wire is what comes from that cord. So you just simply connect them together, put the cover over it like this, and that's it for that step. Because the kit comes with a ground wire, which is right here, it'll be connected to this whole thing. You'll have this right here. You need to connect the ground somewhere. So what he recommended in his video was to pull this down. Now I was freaking out, thinking I'm going to break tabs and everything like that. You're not. When this is all up here like this, you pull from the bottom slightly and this will pop out. Do the same thing on this one. Pull a little bit more, pull a little bit more, and then you can use your tool to start from up here. So when this is all up there, you can start popping down very, very gently. I put a microfiber towel in between this so that I didn't mar anything. Those are non-marring tools, but it's plastic on plastic, so there's a very good chance you might mar it. I did not, because I did that. So let me get my little light here because I don't have my flash on. So that bolt right there. So that bolt right there. Okay, so that's a Phillips head. So you are going to back that out slightly, which is what we're going to do here if I can get up in there. Okay, so you're going to go up in here, and you're going to back this out just enough to, okay, is it not going to loosen? Right, well, let's pause the video, shall we? And as you can see right there, I tucked it up underneath there. So it still needs to be tightened, but you're going to tighten the screw back up, make sure the wire is out of the way. And what I did is I went ahead and put the panel back in after tucking the wires. There's like a little metal tray that you can set all the wires. I took the wire tie that came with the kit and, folded up the wire. So like if this was the wire, the extra wire rather, just folded it up like that. You know how you fold it like that? And then I wire tied it around, and I set the remaining wire up on top of this tray. They do give you plenty of extra zip ties if you wanted to zip tie it into place. I chose not to. I don't think it's going anywhere. It's held in there pretty good. And that leaves your remaining wire hanging here, which will go up underneath here and connect into your fuse box. So those two prongs right there, focus, those two prongs right there are going to go into the same spot that you pulled out this 10 from originally. Slides in perfectly fine, just like the single fuse would have done in the first place. And after that, you are good to go. The only other thing that you would need to do is to go up there and I am not going to use the white zip ties. I'm going to go buy the very, very tiny black zip ties to hold everything in place, and possibly get some like mild adhesive to put on the back of that wire to run up the windshield right there, just so it holds it in place. And that's it. You're done. After that, your car, every time you turn it on, the radar will come on, and you don't ever have to worry about a giant wire dangling connecting down there or anything of that sort. The one that they include with it is, sorry, I don't have a GoPro or anything like that, so I'm not fancy like that, but I just wanted to do something to help somebody out. So it comes with this thing. Obviously these are annoying. They hang in front of you, they get in the way, pain in the butt, all that jazz. So that is no longer needed, so I will put that over there. But now, once you plug that wire in, every single time you go to start your car, it'll be ready to rock. If you want to disconnect it, you can disconnect it, obviously, by just taking that little Ethernet cable out. On another note, if you guys wanted to see the progress here, I haven't really showed it much on YouTube, but Facebook and Instagram for sure. Code _ FK8 is my name, CODE _ FK8. So I got these trim kits that go along here. Same over here. Amazon, I think it was like 30 bucks. I will eventually buy the Cybon or the APR kit that does all this plastic convert to the carbon fiber. Mishimoto intake. Yes, I know it has heat soak issues. I live in Florida and I haven't really noticed much of anything with it as far as heat soak issues at all, but I do plan on going PRL. Right here, I have the PRL downpipe with the, can't really see it because I don't know. Let's turn that flash on, shall we? There we go. That fat front pipe down there is the PRL 3-inch front pipe. Mishimoto aluminum powder coated expansion tank. And what else do I have here? I have also, you can't see it really that well. Actually, I don't think you can see it at all, but the Torque Solutions 79A rear motor mount I have in here. I have the titanium inlet pipe on the way. I am going to buy the P600 turbo from PRL. What else? What else do I got? Let's see here. I have carbon fiber mirror caps. They're forged carbon fiber. Real forged carbon fiber. I did the Mugen style rain guards. Mugen ones were like 270 bucks, and I do not have that type of money. AFE Takeda exhaust, dirty as hell. Yes, I know one side looks dirtier than the other. My fuel is fine, and I'm not running rich or anything like that. The 18 by 9.5 wheels. Iconics lug nuts. And I have the Acuity shifter that I need to put in. And other than that, that's it. But hope the video helped you guys. Yes, sorry for the ramble, but this is just something I wanted to do to try to help people out because I definitely needed it. And his video, Torque Toolbox, he helped me out tremendously. And this is my full stage 4 Dyna 2017 Harley-Davidson Dyna Lowrider S, the stage 4 kit. Booming. You guys have a good day.